Hi everyone, this is a simple trick that will make using your laptop much easier. So you may have noticed that it's quite difficult to place any slot, USB, microphone, speaker jack or anything like that on the side slot of your laptop, because there are no actual markings and you have to either search it and may damage your slots, or tilt it if possible and find it this way. So to solve this, you just need to do things as marking tape like that and scissors. So you just cut a small piece of the tape, and you place it where the slot is, like that. You can do this with a flashy color like red I used now, or use other tapes that can make it more discreet. So if you have these markings, place it like that. It's super easy to just find the slot, you don't even have to see anything. That's it. You can use it for USB, HDMI, SD cards or anything, or actually whatever slot your laptop has, and it's very easy and removable if you don't use it anymore. I hope you like it. Bye bye.